Welcome to the ProStructures Concrete Modeling Learning Path. You will now learn how to divide elements. The Divide tool works with concrete beams, columns, and to some extent with slabs. Elements visible in the model now need to be changed. To do that, open the Level Display dialog, turn off the Extend and Trim level, and turn on the Divide level. Click Fit View so the element is visible on screen. In the Home ribbon tab, go to Edit Concrete Elements and click on Modify tool. Under Common tab, there's a Divide section and its settings. Make sure Divide is set to a point. Now click on Divide a part into independent parts and select the part and then the point at which you want to divide. The element became two independent components. This modification tool is the only one allowing creation of two separate individual elements from a single element. You have now learned how to divide elements within ProStructures.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.